Welcome back, Mr. Use channel. What I will be showing you tonight is how to install a Bluetooth communicator on the LS2 Valliant 2 or the FF900. Okay, as you can see, I have mine already installed. Okay, so what I will be showing you is how I did it, and let's go on with it. Okay, first we'll have to remove all the paddings. I pre-removed this side. Okay, and do the same for the other side. You just pull out all the tucks. And then it should be easy to be pulled out. Okay, so there you go. And what I did is I didn't really remove this one. What I did was just I inserted the speaker by pulling out this one. I didn't remove it totally, and now I have ample of space here to just shoot it over, bring this over, and then just stick it to this side. Okay, for your LS2 Valliant 2, the helmet itself has already a groove for, here let me show you, it has already a groove for speaker. Okay, and every time we buy a Bluetooth communicator, whether it has camera or just a FM radio, it comes with a Velcro that you can stick on the groove. So that's how we did it, both sides. And then we can only use this external mic since this is a flip up type or modular helmet. So this is what I use. Okay, then here I stick it over here. Now connecting the unit itself. Okay, since it has no space for the clip type, we have a very thick lining here that's preventing the clip to go in, and also the control for the sun visor is here. Okay, so so what we want to do is make sure that we don't cover the space. Okay, we need to have a consideration for the cable that we need to pass through, that it doesn't cover any of this space. And then what I use is actually the double-sided tape that comes with the communicator. For my case, this is the Maxto M3, and I chose this location, but I made a slight mistake. I should have moved this one forward a bit so that the camera will be focused forward. But we also need to consider this side of the flip up. Okay, once whether it's open or closed position, this is kind of bulky, so we don't want that to hit this one. So what we need to do is to look for a position that, well, it can fit, or it will not block any of it. It will not be blocked by this thing, and it will not also block the slider for the sunshade. Okay, that's pretty okay. Once we settle that, we settle this. Now the tricky part is, how about this cable? What I did is this: I push this one back a little bit here, and then let's just insert this carefully. Okay. Since I still have a long space or a long allowance for this cable, what I did is I pushed this one in and push this one way back so that we can easily put it in, and this one turns around here. Okay. This is the hardest and trickiest part. Okay, see what I did? Push this one in. Okay. Now that ball kitting is inside the helmet, and this one goes around here, and then we just clip this one in till you hear a click, and then let's plug it in just to make sure that okay, just to see where the position is, and then just push the cable inside so that it looks nice and clean. And now I can now retuck everything. Okay, just be careful in inserting this. It has Velcro. What we want to do is push it all the way in. And then we can now clip everything, push everything back in. Now it's nice. Okay, if it falls out, you just need to push it back in. Okay. Okay, push this one all the way back underneath this part of the bracket. Okay, underneath this part. Okay, and then there you have it. It's nice and it's clean. And then yes, return, do the same for the other side. We just return everything back to its original place and then we're done. Okay, push it in. And then okay, so there you have it. If you're going to flip it close, just make sure that you push this one in a little bit, and then you pull this one, the flap, underneath, so that the mic will be inside the helmet. Okay, there you go. There we have it. Okay, we're done. Okay, see you next time.